switchable smart glass skylights are an excellent way to brighten up your space in a way that is sure to leave visitors in awe. Using PDLC technology, the glass changes state from clear to frosted using a remote control that can be operated from up to 25 meters away, and being able to control the glass to turn frosted at any time has major benefits.
Smart film is now becoming a must-have for any modern office or home. Our product has the ability to redefine environments and create a multifunctional space that adapts and responds to the needs of its users. The potential applications of smart film are limitless. Our products are manufactured in accordance with the highest international standards, adapting to the rising design challenges faced nowadays.
Smart switchable film is a high-tech seamless invention that provides unprecedented control over the amount of light, privacy and heat that enters a space and is ideal for commercial, residential, retail store, medical and automotive front applications.
There is also an important aspect of switchable technology that makes this solution superior to a traditional skylight that may rely on blinds for privacy. Switchable smart glass is not a blackout screen. This means that even in its frosted state, a hue of natural light is still allowed to permeate through the PDLC layer, rather than the potential inconsistent blocking of light from blinds.